Well, guys, I guess I won't be making any drone videos for at least 5 or 6 days until I get my new drone back. I had an incident. I was flying my drone in manual mode, and I was doing some acrobatics, doing flips and turns and stuff, and I crashed it several times. So now I have to send it in to Cerritos, California, and then get a new drone replacement. Luckily, I bought the DJI Care Refresh that I paid, like, I can't remember, like 130 or 170 something, but all I have to do is just pay like 65 bucks or 50 something bucks, and then they'll just send me a brand new drone. So all right, so I'll see if I can make maybe because I wanted the drone to make a Father's Day special video for tomorrow, but I might just have to make a non-drone video footage just with my camera. But hopefully next year I can make a Father's Day special with the drone. All right, guys.